Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a list ID in ClickUp. This is a handy skill, especially if you're managing multiple projects or planning to integrate ClickUp with other apps and tools. First, open your web browser and navigate to clickup.com. This is ClickUp's homepage, often called the Everything app for work, thanks to its comprehensive features that streamline productivity. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage and the options available. Next, look for the login button. Usually at the top right corner of the page, click it to proceed to the login screen. If you have a Google account linked to your ClickUp, you can select Sign In with Google for a faster and more secure login process. You may be prompted to select from a list of your Google accounts, so make sure to pick the one associated with your ClickUp workspace. Double-checking your account ensures you avoid confusion later. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your ClickUp dashboard, which acts as the central hub for all your spaces, lists, and projects. From here, focus on locating the list whose ID you need. Navigate through your spaces carefully, ensuring you open the correct one. Click on the list to open it fully in your browser. Now, pay attention to the URL in your browser's address bar. This URL contains the list ID you're looking for. Typically, it's a sequence of numbers and letters located right after the L portion of the URL. Highlight and copy this ID or note it down somewhere safe. This ID is essential if you plan to set up automations, integrate ClickUp with other tools, or simply keep track of your list more effectively. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully located your list ID in ClickUp. Don't worry if it feels tricky at first. A little practice will make navigating ClickUp second nature. This simple skill can save you time, improve your workflow, and make integrations much smoother. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy navigating and stay productive in ClickUp. Happy organizing.